Hi, I'm Aditya Garg. I'm a student of FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh. I joined FIITJEE in class 8th in the FIITJEE's Uday program for NTSC. When I joined FIITJEE, I was a little bit apprehensive about the kind of help I will get here. But after joining, I realized that it was one of the best possible decisions of my life. FIITJEE completely changed the way I studied and was a very great help in my preparation for various competitive exams. When I first joined FIITJEE, I felt like my workload increased a little bit, but soon I realized that it was a necessary amount of work that I required to do to clear various exams. I studied in FIITJEE for one whole year in class 8th and cleared the NTSC exam with great success and secured All India rank 10 in the final stage. After realizing the importance of FIITJEE in class 8th, I joined again in class 9th for the 4-year classroom program. This program was aimed at strengthening my concepts and fundamentals for my preparation for IIT JEE. It was in class 9th and 10th that I finally understood how to prepare for IIT JEE, and it was during these years that I started facing real competition in terms of my peer groups and my batchmates. It was in class 9 that I cleared JSTSC examination conducted by the government of Delhi and secured 4th rank in the state. In classes 9th and 10th, the frequency of examinations as well as tests also increased, which were aimed at helping us prepare for the huge workload we were about to face in classes 11th and 12th. Our teachers also started giving us a few IIT JEE problems which are easier, but also motivated us to prepare well so that we could perfect them in classes 11th and 12th. In classes 11th and 12th, our regular teaching periods for IIT JEE started, and the teachers we had were highly knowledgeable and knew exactly what to teach us at which time. We were given various sheets as well as CPPs which allowed us to practice at home and develop both our ability to solve problems as well as solve them quickly. Our faculty held regular doubt classes which helped us strengthen our weaknesses and remove all the doubts we had regarding various subjects. We had weekly tests which allowed us to consolidate all we had learned over the past few weeks. This weekly test was followed by our doubt classes which helped us plug all the loopholes we had in the particular subject taught in the last 1 week. Our whole syllabus was divided into 5 parts or 5 phases. After each phase there was a phase test. This helped us consolidate all we had learned over the past few months and was a good check of our preparation at that time. Each test was followed by a test analysis class where we not only learned whatever mistakes we had made and why we had made them, but we also learned quicker methods to solve the questions we had already solved correctly in the paper. This reduced the time we took for each and every question and increased our ability to solve more and more questions in a particular time. Due to the various academic inputs provided by FIITJEE as well as my preparation here, I was able to clear the Regional Mathematics Olympiad, KVPY, National Physics Olympiad and National Astronomy Olympiad very easily. These were great milestones in my preparation which gave me confidence for my final target of IIT JEE. In FIITJEE, I faced a very pressure-free and stress-free environment. I never felt burdened by my studies and in fact enjoyed them, which I feel is a very big part of my success in IIT. The Grandmaster package of GMP and RTPI were given to us in the final stages to do at home. They consisted of new questions which help us develop a temperament to face new types of questions and not be scared by them, which are a very important part of preparing for IIT. In the end, I would like to thank my parents for the strong system they provided for me while I was preparing, the FIITJEE system and the FIITJEE Punjabi Bagh faculty, which were a great help to my preparation, and my batchmates, whom I will cherish as friends for life. Thank you, FIITJEE.